Portland man being sought after his child's mother found murdered. 80-year-old woman killed, house set ablaze in St. Anne. Female pump attendant gone missing in St. James. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The police have launched a search for a farmer for questioning after his child's mother was found murdered inside his house in Comfort District, Portland on Wednesday. It is reported that about 8 a.m., the body of 52-year-old Merlene White was found in the farmer's house with stab wounds. Investigators stated that Miss White, who lived in another section of the community, was reportedly visiting her child's father when she ended up dead. An 80-year-old woman was murdered and her house believed to have been set ablaze in Spring Garden, Bamboo, St. Anne on Wednesday. The deceased is Sylvia Barrett, a farmer and vendor. Reports are that about 6:15 p.m., a relative of the deceased saw fire coming from the house and contacted the fire department. The relative and neighbors managed to extinguish the blaze, which was seen coming from the living room of Barrett's 4-bedroom concrete house. On the arrival of the fire brigade, further cooling down operations were conducted, after which the house was checked and Barrett's body was found in the dining room. Her hands and feet were bound with electrical wires and a piece of clothing. A post-mortem examination will be conducted to determine her cause of death. 21-year-old Shakira Brown, a pump attendant of Bobman Hill, Lilliput in St. James, has been missing since Saturday, April 27. She is of dark complexion, stout build, and about 173 centimeters or 5 feet 8 inches tall, with a heart-shaped tattoo on her neck. Reports from the Barrett Police are that about 10:30 p.m., Brown was last seen in her community. Her mode of dress then is unknown. Efforts to contact her since then have been unsuccessful. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Shakira Brown is being asked to contact the Barrett Police at 876-563-9436, the 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station.